As you already know, I'm in the process of my kitchen renovation, for which I shared some DIYs last time, and this time I'm going to share you the actual wooden work that is happening. I aspire for a farmhouse style kitchen, which basically consists of natural materials like wood, light earthy tones, colors, and walls are often white, but greeneries and art does go anywhere. It's a balance of texture as well. Let's see how I'm going to achieve that, fingers crossed. But before that, let's have a look at the current kitchen scenario.
Welcome to my small kitchen. It's an open kitchen with just two basic colors, black and white. It has got one counter to work on, because of which my main gas burner, induction and other commonly used items are lying. So there's a problem, it looks cluttered because of that, so we need to clear the clutter from the main counter. Moving forward, I have put this side a small cabinet, but it's not solving the purpose, things are lying on ground. So second problem is we need extra storage here. Here is the sink and refrigerator in one corner, which is the perfect space for it, so I'm not going to change its place. To this side is a cabinet with wall unit, which along with kitchen storage serves as divider between living room and kitchen. This also serves a part of my living room furniture. I also feel the need of updating my kitchen overall look and beautify it. So first I'm going to list down the possible solutions of all the problems. First is we can add an extra counter with storage. Second solution is we can clear the main counter by adding wall shelves above it. I'll have my carpenter to do it. And third, to redefine the overall look, I'll do some budget-friendly DIYs. Let's see the color themes. I'm going to go with black and white as they are already there. I'm not going to change as of now, but I'll add wood as this is a neutral color and can go anywhere with some feel good overall texture. And green will be a secondary color for art and greeneries. So let's get started. I'll start with adding another counter with storage unit, for which I asked my carpenter to make one with space sufficient enough to store things lying outside. And he did exactly that. On this laminate I decided to go with is top wooden and base white. Now the top wooden laminate is pasted and all heavy items were put above along with tapes all around it. Farmhouse kitchen focuses on natural material like wood and it's heading towards that. For this divider unit, the base is already white, so just need to replace the upper laminate with wood in order to match with the new counter. So the same is being done, extracting the old one, pasting wooden and then leaving it to stick permanently. Now comes the door and handle installation to complete it, and both the cabinets, which are also visible from living area, has come together nicely. Now to clear the main counter, we need wall shelves. I asked my carpenter to make open wall shelves in corner to feel the openness, and my kitchen is small, so can't make it look all cupboard from above. Floating or open shelves are also a key feature of farmhouse style kitchens. This is made with wooden laminate to complement the cabinets. And is also going well with my wall decor. So the clutter is gone inside, and I also got an additional counter space to work on. Loving this one as well. And the main counter clutter has gone up in a beautiful way. Isn't it? Now it's time for some DIYs to enhance the overall look and add some character to my kitchen. These are really budget-friendly DIYs I made. Tutorial link in description box below for reference. First one is a window frame wall art which has beautifully complemented the space. Second is DIY conical light fixture above center top of main counter. It was looking nice, but I wanted a main signboard for my kitchen just below the hanging light. So I did a little DIY and made this happy kitchen signboard. I am making it on an ACP sheet which was lying there with me in similar wooden pattern, but you can also do it using laminates. Just leave the wooden borders and write what best suits to your kitchen. This is going just below the hanging lights and that completes the look and also our small farmhouse kitchen makeover.